The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Division involving 5-digit dividend and 4-digit divisor. Example: 51,902 divided by 4,325. Let us make a slight alteration in the previous problem and demonstrate the division which is leaving a single digit remainder for a 4-digit divisor. In the earlier problem, it was 51,902 divided by 4,235, whereas we have taken up 51,902 divided by 4,325. Let us set the dividend 51,902 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 4,325 in the extreme left of the abacus. As 4 is less than 5, the quotient should be set by skipping one column to the left of the dividend. As there is only one 4 in 5, we have to simply take that as the assumed quotient. Let us multiply 1 with the 4,325 and subtract it from 5,190. That is 4 multiplied by 1, that is 0,4. So let us subtract 0 from the 100,000s column and 4 from the 10,000s column. So here for subtracting 4, we clear 5 and add 1. Next we have to multiply 1 with 3, that is 0,3. 0 subtracted in the 10,000s column and 3 subtracted in the thousands column. We can't do that, and therefore subtract 1 in the 10,000s column and add 7 in the thousands column. Next we have to multiply 1 with 2, that is 0,2, that is 0 subtracted from the thousands column and 2 from the hundreds column. Next we have to multiply 1 with 5, that is 0,5, that is 0 subtracted from the hundreds column and 5 subtracted from the tens column. We can't do that, and therefore subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 5 in the tens column. Now we are left with the dividend 8,652. Let us take up the next stage of division. Take 8 of the dividend and 4 of the divisor. There are 2 4s in 8, and therefore we reduce 1 and set the quotient by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Like the previous division, we have to multiply 1 with 4,325 and subtract it from the remaining dividend 8,652. That is 4 is subtracted from 8 in the thousands column. That is subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. Now in the hundreds column we have to subtract 3, that is clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 2 in the lower abacus. In the tens column we have to subtract 2, that is clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 3 in the lower abacus. In the units column we have to subtract 5. We cannot do that, and therefore subtract 1 in the tens column and add 5 in the units column. We can note that the remainder 4,327 is larger than the divisor, and therefore we have to simply add 1 to the quotient and subtract 4,325 from the remaining part of the dividend. Therefore, the answer here is 12 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. The quotient is 12, and after that there are 4 empty columns to its right, followed by 2 in the extreme right of the abacus. The divisor is a 4-digit number, and therefore the columns to be left for the remainder are also 4. The 10,000s column is separating the quotient and the remainder. Hope the problems demonstrated in the abacus division will give adequate experience to the visually impaired child. With this, let us take up other concepts of mathematics in the subsequent videos.